What are you doing? This is my cat. Her name's Douche Cake.
I'm inducing today, and I'm ready to get this baby out. We're headed to
Let's see what's happening. I got a new necklace.
but my friends aren't allowed to come because of a flu scare.
And cat, you're sitting on the dog. And I trimmed my hair by myself because I had dead ends and split ends. Yeah. Does anybody have a polyvore? Because I know I have one. What? There's another animal. See? Oh, sorry. If you have a polyvore, follow me. My name's Cheese Sticks. Because when I made this, I was eating cheese sticks, okay? Don't diss my name. You supposed to hate or hate it. Okay, that is ruined that. You hear my voice?
Are you tired?
Wow. My tongue is awesome.
All day. You wake up right now.
It's really cool. I love it. I'm so glad I got it. Rocco, what's wrong? Okay, I'm gonna go because I have animals all over me. So, bye.